I really like the way Telecasters look. But I also really like the way Steinbergers feel. Losing the head makes the neck nice and light, but I'm not wild about the body. Specifically the cutout that comes along with the headless bridge. I just want it to look like a Telecaster, but without the head. So I thought, what if I 3D print a cup that would fit into the body of the Telecaster so I could adjust the headless tuning system? I'd want a template so I could route the body, so I 3D printed one of those too. I got a Tele knockoff body and routed and installed the cup. Then I lopped off the head of a Tele knockoff neck and installed the Hipshot headpiece. Then I was done, and you can do it too. Both the cup and the template are available on Shapeways.